Do you want to learn to code? Do you want to learn web development, machine learning, and NFTs? Well, this Black Friday Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra, and I founded a company called Mammoth Interactive. It's been 10 years since we've started, and we've sold over 1 million courses worldwide. Today, we are announcing one of the most amazing bundle of courses for you to pledge on Kickstarter right now. In this bundle of courses, we're going to be taking anyone who's a complete beginner to a pro, and if you've already coded, we're going to have advanced topics just for you. Of course, one of the reasons people buy Mammoth Interactive courses year over year is because we give the most cutting-edge tutorials possible, and this bundle of courses is no different. Also, our courses are geared towards practical projects, so instead of just learning a bunch of theory, you can be building actual real-world applications right now. And once you're done building a ton of practical projects, you can put them on your portfolio, your LinkedIn profile, or your resume. And even if you don't want to become a coder, learning to code is becoming the #1 skill that you need to learn. Technology isn't going away, and you need to understand how it works in order to become successful in today's society. So this isn't just one course, it's an amazing bundle of courses if you're a complete beginner or if you've already coded before. But wait, there's more. The more money you pledge, the more courses you can get. We have some amazing details, so check it out down below. Remember that this Kickstarter won't last forever, so in order to claim these details, you need to pledge today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.